Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Less Cooks More. Today we are doing shrimp cooked 3 ways in 10 minutes. So the main thing is to get shrimp that is deveined already. I'm just using cocktail shrimp that I got from the store. It's already pre-packaged and everything like that. It's the easiest way to start. So let's get started. Like I said, you want to get shrimp that is already deveined, but what I do after I open it, and this is just the brand that I've gotten before, so it usually comes frozen, and then you have another layer. I take the shrimp and I make sure like all of them are deveined, and if they're not, I take a knife and I go in and make sure. But if you don't know, the vein in the back of the shrimp is actually feces. So that's why a lot of people devein them, and not everybody does, but that's what I do. But yeah, I'm gonna take the shrimp, I'm gonna clean it again with some lime and lemon and vinegar, and then I'm gonna start cooking with it. Right, so I deveined all the shrimp. That wasn't actually deveined, even though that's what I was told it was. Rinsed it. Now I'm going to put some vinegar in and just toss. And then I'm also gonna do some lemon. We're also gonna do lime because I feel like I like the taste of lime better than lemon, and I think the lime cuts the lemon a bit. So we're letting the shrimp just kind of sit in here for a little bit. And then we are gonna start on our first sort of dish topping. So the first dish that we're gonna make is shrimp pesto. We're using parsley, spinach, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and almonds, because those are the only nuts we have, as well as olive oil. And I actually, pesto's not that hard to make. The thing is, we don't have the right nuts that you use to make pesto. So you usually use cashews or walnuts, and we only have almonds and pistachios, and I feel like almonds is the lesser of two evils, and it's unsalted and everything like that. So we are gonna try a couple different things. A couple handfuls of spinach, and then put this in our food processor. So we put our food processor in, or our stuff in the food processor. So this is what it looks like. Now we are going to put we're gonna try this out. I really don't know how this is gonna work out with almonds, but you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna put in some almonds, maybe like 2 half handfuls. And then we're gonna process the almonds. Wow! It seems to, I am impressed. I did not expect that to work. Huh? And as you can see, it literally takes 2 seconds. We're gonna put in some garlic. So we already had minced garlic and water, so that's what I'm putting in. It smells so delicious. And as you can see, I'm really not measuring anything. I'm kind of just doing whatever I feel, which doesn't always work, but today I feel like it's gonna work. A little bit of the oil, and we're gonna put in some Parmesan. It's gonna be the stuff. And this looks gorgeous. It smells really good too. Right now it's pretty thick, as you can see. I have to put more oil in it to make it liquid.
So we're just gonna boil the pasta, and I add in some olive oil so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other.
We are getting ready to pour in our shrimp. And how you know, see, it's already like super watery because the pan was really hot. That's one way that you know the oil is hot enough. The other way is by flicking water. So it's ready. Now we are gonna put in our, ooh, there's a lot of liquid in the shrimp, but it's fine. Okay. some slappy mama, some garlic salt, black pepper. That's fine. A little cayenne pepper. But basically I'm just letting them sit in the seasoning. I'm gonna add, I didn't add the Cajun. So we're gonna put in some butter. We don't have milk, unfortunately, because somebody threw it out. But we're gonna just use butter and some cream cheese.
Then we're gonna put our noodles in, and we're gonna season with salt and pepper. And I add in a couple other cheeses, but you'll see I pour water in because there's literally nothing else in the pot and it's burning. But we get the kind of milky effect once we add in the cheese, the butter, the cream cheese, and the water.
Mmm! That's good! Okay, so very cheesy. As you can see, lots of cheese. Okay, and then we are going to put the shrimp on. All right, so this is our shrimp. So we are going to take some of our shrimp and put it on here. I'm going to put some cheese on top, and then we're gonna bake it just enough to like get the top. Really broiling would probably be the smartest thing to do. And then we're gonna put this in the oven. Oven is set to 400 degrees. So we're just gonna put this in there for like 10 minutes. Probably not even. Okay, so we have some seasonings already in our wok from cooking the shrimp. You can cook the pasta, like just reheat it, and you might not need to. So we have our homemade pesto, just like you remember. Here we are gonna just put it in. So we've now like mixed in our pesto. We're gonna put in some of the shrimp. All right, so our third dish is gonna be a shrimp salad. So we have spinach greens, and then we're gonna do avocado, lemon juice, olive oil, the shrimp obviously, and salt and pepper. And the way we're gonna do the avocado is just like dice it up a bit. And then obviously we're gonna add the shrimp. Then we're gonna do some almonds. We didn't slice them, but you can slice them if you want. Season with pepper, a little bit of salt. Shrimp already has salt because we seasoned it. And then for dressing, we're gonna do these two. Some lemon juice, some extra virgin olive oil. This is more of like a light dressing, a vinaigrette. You know, I don't like to mix mine as much, so I like to separate it and then mix it when I'm eating it. But this is the dressing we'll use to go on top. So that is our third dish, shrimp salad, and let me show you all of them together. Okay guys, so I actually already tried these because I didn't want to wait, but they are pretty good. We have a shrimp salad, kind of looks like rabbit food, I'm gonna be honest, but the shrimp is bomb, so it makes everything else taste good. Then we have our shrimp mac and cheese, actually bomb, it all tastes good. And our shrimp pesto, which is also bomb and tastes good. So you really get like anything you want. This is shrimp 3 ways in 10 minutes. Thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you'd want me to cook next. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.